Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have my next Button Lovers Club little bag to open for you. I know I'm opening it like right after the one that I opened before, and it's every 2 months, but sometimes I get a little behind, as y'all know. So what makes me get a little behind? Y'all, I somehow got introduced to TikTok. Y'all watch TikTok? Seriously, do y'all watch TikTok? I am now some sort of TikTok, can't even say it right, but I am a TikTok watching fool. I cannot start watching TikTok. If I start watching TikTok, we're talking hours go by. Hours. Without even knowing. I started watching TikTok, and this might give you a little hint, okay? I started watching TikTok while I was on my little trip with Christy. Now, I had heard of TikTok before, obviously. I've had lots of people saying that I should be on TikTok doing, yeah, I have had people say that. But I never, thought, oh yeah, let me go do that. Never did. But the night before, I had to drive back home many hours. I stayed up till like 2, 3 in the morning watching TikTok videos. Didn't even realize what time it was because it didn't feel like that long. But I am now a TikTok addict. What kind of videos, you might want to know, do I watch on TikTok? Well, I love the videos with the DJ remix, right? Love that. Love it. You want to like combine some 80s hip hop songs? You got me, okay? The dance videos. Oh yeah. All of the little, here's the little competition. Rabbit hole, totally rabbit hole for me. I can sit there and watch those dancing videos. And then now they've got this, is it Busta Rhymes? The modeling off your clothes and stuff. Yeah, I could watch a million of those. I could. Then there's some other people I really like. The people who are like, they're just funny to me. I can watch them forever. The people who do their makeup. Oh my goodness. There's just one dude. Yeah, y'all. If you are looking for a time killer, TikTok, baby. TikTok. I have to just try really hard not to even turn on. Just don't turn it on. Just don't. Once it's on, I'm totally in trouble. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm sure that y'all want to know what kind of buttons I got here. This is the July bag. And here's the little sticker on the back. Says Happy Mail. So super cute. Let's get it open. I'll show you the buttons. And y'all, listen, I don't know how many times I get messages of people wanting me to like, throw all the buttons down on a napkin and have it. Y'all, seriously. I hope somebody else is opening this and can like show you the buttons like you really want to see them, because I'm just not going to do all that. I'm going to show you the special buttons. I'm going to try to show you the buttons in the thing. But, yeah. You're going to see the buttons just like that. So, and I really don't mean this to be rude. I love y'all to death. You know I do. I try to do my best for you. But, honestly, it already takes me like a cajillion years to do these videos. Okay. Oh, okay, so they're announcing, they're just telling us, I guess, that the Button Lovers Club 10s for the season is going to, like, restart again on September 1st. So the very next one that we get is going to be, like, starting a new season, so to speak. And so, let's see. Oh, So now they're saying that instead of having the Button Lovers Club every other month, it's going to be quarterly. So, okay. That's good to know. And I actually, you know, I'm not mad about that. That seems fine to me. I love the things that are quarterly. It just gives you like a little time to build up some anticipation for the next one. So I really like that. Okay, so obviously, since this is the July bag, it's going to be patriotic, which it is. And you have two options whenever you're in the Button Lovers Club. I'm assuming they're going to keep that the same. They didn't mention any changes like that. So you can get the 10, or you can get the 10 plus the sprinkles. And so I'm signed up for both. I did that so that I could share with you guys what that means and what you get. So the sprinkles for July are obviously red, white, and blue. And we have little buttons in there. You can probably see it better on the back there. Like stars and hearts and squares and circles. And they're all different sizes. So, oh, I even see like a little flower right there. A star. There's a little star. And they're all different sizes. So they'll go from, you know, tiny to like just a little bit bigger. But they're all pretty small. And so very, very cute. And I love having the sprinkles. Who are we kidding? Buttons like this and like this, y'all, I'm just addicted. I just love them. And these are like, they're handmade. They're so special. And being a button lover, I just couldn't not be in this club because I just love them. Again, it's called Just Another Button Company. You can see that right there. Just Another Button Company. And then for July, these are called the Summer Sizzle. Hopefully you can see that. Pretty good. Oops, we're catching some light. I hope you can read. Well, I know you can read this part, but the other parts say Button Lovers Club and Take Heart. This is called the Take Heart 10. So that's why they have that on there. Let me show you what's inside. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you the specialty ones first. I'm going to pull those out one at a time. And then the ones that are kind of like, you know, just general sort of buttons, I'll pull a few out and then I'll just kind of lift it up to show you. And there's always like a word spelled out in here. So I will find those and show you that as well. So here's the first button. Oh my goodness. I love them. And they're handmade, guys. It just makes it more and more special. There's the next one. And oh, look how cute. We have a pair of sunglasses. Let me see. I think I have, what is this here? I don't have it cut. That's the problem, but I'll kind of put it in front of there he is on a piece of white fabric. You can kind of see him there. And then we have a little red flower. Okay, hold on. I should like remember that I need to, oh, you know what? Here we go. They gave us on this little card. The only thing is like, it's not sticking, but you can see. It's a little red flower. It's very pretty. And then, ooh, I think this is supposed to be a firework. Or just a spirit stick. I'm not sure. And they don't really tell us, so we have to kind of, you can use your imagination, whatever you want to call it. All right, I found one letter so far. Ooh, I'm getting them. And I have an idea of what it's going to be. Oh, here we go. Oh no. These are some of just the white ones, the little white squares, and there are different colors. So I'll show you some of those. We have a red one like that. And Oop, found another letter. And let's see, what is this guy? This one looks interesting. Well, actually, it's just a blue, kind of plain button, but look at the color of that blue. That's just really pretty. And we have little flowers like this. It's white, so I won't put it in front of the card. You'll miss it. This one has a interesting texture on it. Can you see that? And we usually get some like this where it's got that little flower on it. Can you see the flower? You can sort of see it. And then here we have a blue square, but this one's sort of like, you can see through it. So it's like translucent, sort of. Ooh, here we go. They're so tiny, and these fingernails do not make it easy to hold it up, but it's a popsicle. You can't see his little stick because my finger's on it, but it's a little brown stick down there. There you go. That's fun. Oop, I almost missed that. I think I have the whole word now. So the word that it's spelling out, oh, here we go. Here's another cute one. We had a red flower before. Here's a blue one. And then other than that, we have just red, white, and blue, and like there's a couple of clear ones in there. And we have spelled out SIZZLE. So that's S-I. It goes this way. Yeah. Z. And there's another Z. L. And E. Okay, so that is the Button Lovers Club for July. And I think that they're all super cute. I hope you guys like them too. And again, they're going to start sending it out quarterly instead of every other month. So I think that that's actually a great idea. One of the things that I always hear from people is that they think it's pricey. Personally, I don't think that it is, because I know that they're handmade, and, you know, handmade buttons are really not cheap. So, and they shouldn't be. I mean, that's just my opinion. But anyway, I think if it's quarterly, it makes it easier for people to be able to afford it. So I think that's a great idea, actually. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll give you all the information down below if you'd like to go and try to get on the wait list, because I know last time I checked, there was a wait list for the club. So I'll give you all the info if you want to go and sign up. And I was watching Sammy down there. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Mwah!